So for the angle bisector theorem, all you have to do is just set up a proportion. You just need to know which side lengths match up with which side length. So when we go on to this example, with, for instance, number 6, if you can solve number 6, you should be able to solve each of the rest. Here's the issue. You have the length of a whole segment. And you know that the piece of your segment is x, which means that your missing piece has to be 8 minus x, because we do whole minus our part. So our proportion for this example would look like this. 5 over x, because the 5 lines up with your x, equals 7 over 8 minus x. We now cross multiply, and we should get 7x equals 5 times 8 minus x. We then distribute, and we get 40 minus 5x. And to solve for x, we add 5x to both sides. And we get 12x equals to 40. And then we divide by a 12. This means that x has to be equal to 3.33, repeating, or 3 1/3. That is your final answer.